Join me during my day trip to Ortigia. Discover the charming narrow streets, main square and some of Sicily's most loved street food. Ortigia is a small island at the historical heart of Siracusa, Sicily. With wonderful stretching views out to the Ionian Sea and an incredibly rich history, it's filled with breathtaking examples of Greek, Roman and Baroque architecture. 2 bridges connect Ortigia to the eastern end of Siracusa. Being just off the main island of Sicily, the area has its own unique charm. We visited for just one day while staying in Catania. It took an hour and a quarter to travel by bus. After crossing this bridge and taking a leisurely stroll, we were delighted to find these ruins. The area was bustling and we decided to explore some of the quieter streets. The streets were very charming and we spotted a few vintage vehicles. There were magnificent churches nestled between the narrow streets. We headed towards the port where there are fantastic views of the Ionian Sea. It was a beautifully sunny day and the clear waters were a fantastic brilliant blue. We decided to enjoy the view and the sunshine while having one of Sicily's most loved street foods. Arancini are a staple of Sicilian cuisine. The main ingredients are rice and mozzarella, which are rolled and coated in breadcrumbs before being deep fried. They have a range of fillings and this spinach arancino went down really well with a cold beer while we were people watching. Feeling refreshed, we headed to the main square, Piazza Duomo. The square is dominated by the Cathedral of Siracusa. It is an ancient Catholic church and a temple has stood on this site since the 6th century. The current building is a late example of High Sicilian Baroque architecture. Since 2005, the whole city has been listed as a World Heritage Site. Many people were relaxing on this Sunday and were unwinding with a leisurely lunch. But we fancied something a little lighter and sweeter, and so we decided to try some cannoli. Cannoli originated in Sicily and is a staple pastry which you'll find in every bakery and cafe. The outer layer is a delicious crunchy fried pastry tube. This is filled with sweet creamy ricotta which is dipped in a variety of toppings, usually chopped nuts, chocolate or candied fruits.
Wow!
For me, a real highlight was wandering around the many narrow streets. Lined with balconies, they were delightfully charming. Although we visited Ortigia for just one day, it's definitely a place that we'd love to return to the next time we're in Sicily. Is there anywhere in particular that you'd recommend? Please do let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, please do hit the subscribe and bell button. Ciao, and thanks for watching.